Hello and welcome back to another video by Seen Through Cars. Got a beautiful panorama and a more beautiful car. Alright guys, today we are testing an old BMW. Let's get it started. Oof. Oh yeah, this is how old German engineering sounds like. Well, today we are supposed to drive a BMW 528i, which means under the hood there is a naturally aspirated 6-cylinder with real 2.8 liters petrol engine. This car was called, for BMW guys, E12, which means this particular car was built in 1977. Therefore, today it is 45 years old. Fucking 45 years, and it only has 175,000 kilometers on the clock. This is really nothing. This is nothing. Hello. Alright, they are not that friendly, but I am. In here there are no digital dials. This is old school classic stuff, as we car guys love it. Petrol engine, naturally aspirated. What I didn't said before, it produces 177 horses. Well, that's quite a lot for such a car in such a time. It gets powered through a manual 4-speed gearbox with a lovely wooden knob. It sounds just lovely, really. I mean, this car is really old and there are nearly no kilometers driven by the previous owners, and therefore the interior quality is not the quality, but the interior is like, yeah, it is like buying a new car almost. Of course, like some things are broken over there, but it's just the damage is really little and the car nearly remains new. It's in really good condition. It really is, and it feels just great to drive, going back in time, back in history. What can I tell you? Like, yeah, everything feels old and solid. Maybe not luxurious. This feels like, yeah, don't know, hard plastic. But it is cool. Old school does here. A clock still working. It's very precise. You know, you're warm, cold. You can choose which area of the ventilation you will. And like here, there's the light. You have to pull and push pull to switch it on and push to switch it off. Fog lights and the radio, BMW Bavaria, and cassette. Yeah, just that old stuff, you know. Manual handbrake, of course. And what is more, we got a nice sunroof over there, and we can open it like that. I think it's not fully, you cannot fully open it, but that's enough. And it's of course manually operated through my strong arm. Over here we got a fuel tank. How much remains? Just over there we got water temperature, and over the water temperature there is a warning light for the oil, and I'm not sure, but I'm kind of confused now because it looks like it is lightning. That would not be that good. I have to tell the owner. But just don't looking at those red stuff. Oh, there's beautiful view for a glacier. As well, as always, we are here back in Austria. But of course, I will come everywhere in the world to review your car. If you would want to, just write me a mail, because yeah, that's the best way to direct message me. The car itself, from the outside and as well from the inside, you think it's kind of compact from the width, like from the left mirror to the right mirror. But to be honest, if you sit inside, it is quite spacious. Although it looks really, yeah, really small. It's practical. You can fit in a lot of parking slots where other cars wouldn't fit. You can just go in. The steering wheel is, I'm not sure if this is originally, but it feels like leather, I think. Yeah. Oh no, I do not think that this is original. That was something, some aftermarket stuff. Yeah, but somehow this is metal. I like it. And the horn sounds funny, I think. We got the windows are manually operated and still works. Oh, what really nice is the door opener, or the door handle, I'm not sure how to call it. Oh, there's a car. I have to concentrate. Like, it is underneath here, and this is really practical. I would wish modern cars would have the same. Or yeah, of course, Teslas, you can open them through, you know, just touching and stuff. But a normal door handle, on like here, you have to pull it and you push it with the right hand. And this door handle, you can fully operate everything through your left hand, you know. You just like do that, pull the handle and push it, and the door is open. Smart. But somehow today we do not get stuff like that anymore. Yeah, that's the way things changes in 45 years. The seats are super comfy. They are more comfy than the couch in your living room. But that's common for old cars, you know that. Driving wise, I mean, after about 50 kilometers per hour, you use the 4th gear. You can, yeah, basically it feels kind of, yeah, like an automatic transmission, because yeah, the other 3 gears are only for braking and lower speeds, but most of the time you go faster than 50 kph. So yeah, you don't have to shift a lot, you know. Suspension wise, it is an old car and you really feel that. Maybe the material is old as well, so it's not that stiff anymore, but yeah, it is, you know, like driving a boat. Either you like it or not, it's a special feeling. Woo. Yeah, you're like, woo. Oh, what they are doing? Oh, they cannot afford a tractor, so they got like 50 people working. You know, some do not know how economy works, but that's okay. Over here we got no mirror, but a sunshade. Oh, grandpa. Those, yeah, those, what are they called? Don't know, but those, those things to operate something like the windscreen wipers. They are really a bit flimsy, I think is the right word. But it feels, yeah, it feels funny, I think. Mirrors are quite small. I mean, yeah, if there are some beautiful things to watch in your mirror, you won't see everything of them, I think. But all in all, of course, this car, it feels compact, and you got a nice overview to the front, to the back. Yeah, of course you got no oh, a Porsche, no Porsche coming along. Yeah, of course, when this car was built there were no rear view cameras or stuff, but you don't need it. Such a car, it's just nice. See, is you can operate seats in just, I think, in 6 ways. I think, like forward, backward, and your back stuff, and also the height is adjustable, but only for the driver. Like, yeah, you know. Oh, what's special in this car as well? You do not push over there. You have to press here on the side and not on the top, like you're used to in today's cars. There are some little changes over time, although they are just small, but you know, you're not used to that. thank you all guys for subscribing my channel. Please do this if you haven't done it yet. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell on to get notified when I make a new upload. Don't forget to write your opinion about this video, about this car, under the video. I normally reply to all of them. Please support my channel, like this video, share it, subscribe, hit the bell on to get notified, just all this stuff. And yeah, I'm sorry if there are not videos every week. Yeah, it's not that easy to get cars reviewed in a country like Austria. Like here the people drive shit cars like Fiat Doblos, Smart 4.4, those kind of cars. You know, I would also review them, but you know, I prefer such cars, or powerful cars, 300 plus horses. We are coming back to the starting point. Starting point was over there, but I will end this review after the tunnel. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you very much for supporting me. Press on the side, and the door handle, easy, operated through one arm. Thank you for watching. That was a 528i E12.